Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a battle where we have our BTech students and our IMBA students, and they'll be competing on the talks about sustainability. So let's begin with our first topic. First topic is, if plastic could speak, what it would say about us.
If plastic could talk, what it would say? I think plastic would be very much proud of itself, because see, we use plastic almost everywhere. See our plastic bags, and nowadays we use plastic in our clothes also. Microplastics, yes, it's used in the clothes. So I think plastic would have been very proud of itself, because in human life without plastic we can do like nothing.
Plastic would likely criticize ourselves for our habits and also how we are harming the environment by overusing plastic, and it would also urge us to recycle, reuse, so as to make environment more protected.
Let's go to the next topic. How can students become the sustainability superheroes on campus? From hostels to classrooms, can every action make a difference? So what do you guys think?
So to be sustainable superheroes, I think all of us can start taking small steps. The simplest of steps, like saying no to single-use plastic, the plastic that we see thrown on the ground and everything. I think we can all stop that. And even if we find anything that's fallen down, just be responsible enough to go pick it up and throw it in the nearest dustbin that you have.
Now let's go to the next topic. Is planting trees the simplest way to fight climate change? Guys, what do you think?
So yes, planting tree is one of the main motive of improving the environment, but I don't think so it is wholly the single thing which can improve everything. It needs a backup team as well, like the clean energy, clean resources, clean environment, clean air. So they will all complement it. It is like a puzzle where the planting tree is one of the main important piece of the puzzles, but it requires multiple pieces to complete it.
We could move forward with sustainability, especially if we want to become sustainable superheroes, because trees not only give us oxygen, they take in carbon dioxide, take in emissions, they give us fruits, they give us sustainability. They're the source of life for us. So why don't we start small, which makes a big impact. Something so small can change the world.
Have come to the end of it, but without ending, a last topic would not go. So are electric vehicles the superheroes of sustainability?
Basically run on normal, like from day-to-day use. So we need lithium, which basically come out from the mines. A lot of mining is there, and a lot of carbon emission, and a lot of water usage is also there. So because of that, there is a lot of depletion in water ground levels below the ground.
So adding on to that, I also feel that electric vehicles are also not budget friendly, as most of the people go for petrol or diesel cars too. So quote by Mr. Robert Swan that says that the greatest threat to our planet is that we believe that someone else will save it. So we should start from within, and we should start from today by saving our planet. Thank you.